It's a new 2020 BMW 3 Series. Epitomizing high performance, legendary design, and luxury, the iconic 3 Series serves as the benchmark of the segment it invented. It's well equipped with the features you need: streaming audio, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, rear wheel drive, external memory control, driver memory seats, gas pressurized shocks, auto dimming rear view mirror, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. For unbeatable performance and unmatched style, drive a BMW. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
Nick Alexander BMW is your premier Los Angeles BMW dealer. We're conveniently located at 6333 South Alameda Street in the Huntington Park neighborhood of Los Angeles.